clap our hands, ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Inviting all of you to drop by the art exhibit of our Pinoy Pride, Novo Ecijano Pride artist, Tom Villarosa Jr., August 17 to 18 at the main atrium NE Pacific Mall, Cabanatuan City. Pagbabalik tanaw, mga larawan ng inspirasyon hango sa nakaraan at kasalukuyan, mga tanikala ng buhay at kultura ng Pilipino.
Sir Tom, this is your day. This is the day to celebrate all of your hard work, all of your paintings, and really express a story of Filipinos, of our agriculture sector. Lalo here in Nueva Ecija, we really take pride of our agriculture sector, especially our dear farmers.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Words cannot express how deeply grateful and emotional I feel standing before you today.
Kamusta ka?
Mas Villarosa Jr.